Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to do half swipe on Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. To do the half swipe trick on Snapchat, first of all open the Snapchat app and go to the message tab, and now locate the chat that you want to view without opening it. Now press and hold the user Bitmoji present on the left and slowly drag your finger toward the right side of the screen. Make sure you don't lift your finger from the screen. Once you have previewed the message, just drag your finger back to the left side. This way you will know what the message says, but the other user won't know that you have opened it. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.